Process industries represent the foremost part of the manufacturing base, around 20% of the total European manufacturing industry. Process industries are largely dependent on resource imports from international markets. In 2014, industry accounted for more than a quarter of total energy consumption in Europe. According to the International Energy Association, global energy needs will expand by 30% between today and 2040. In this scenario, if energy production and consumption in the European Union does not become more competitive and efficient, the EU could be in a vulnerable position. Manufacturing industry should deliver competitively priced goods and services that satisfy human needs and bring quality of life by finding progressively smarter and finer trade-offs between business and sustainability concerns. The Maestri project aims to advance the sustainability of European manufacturing and process industries by providing a management system in the form of a flexible and scalable platform to promote and simplify the implementation of an innovative approach, the Total Efficiency Framework. Maestri will develop an innovative and integrated platform, combining holistic efficiency assessment tools, a novel management system, and an innovative approach for industrial symbiosis implementation. The overall aim is to promote improvement culture within process industries by assisting the decision-making process, supporting the development of improvement strategies, and helping on the definition of priorities to improve the company's environmental and economic performance. This approach will be based on 4 main pillars: an effective management system targeted for process and continuous improvement, efficiency assessment tools to define improvement and optimization strategies and support the decision-making process, integration with industrial symbiosis concept addressing material and energy exchange, an IoT platform to simplify the concept implementation and ensure an integrated control of improvement process. Maestri integrates highly replicable and flexible solutions, which will help strengthen European process industries' competitiveness by reducing energy and resources costs. It will contribute to reduce the process industry environmental footprint. Maestri, Total Resource and Energy Efficiency Management System for Process Industries.